Welcome back, Lecturer Potato here, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can play Fortnite in Minecraft. This is a silly little thing I came up with. I think it's a little bit funny, so hopefully you guys will enjoy the video. Of course, if you do, make sure you do leave a like on it, but let's get right into it here. So, we're clearly inside this blue bus. We got ourselves a pickaxe, and yeah, and an elytra as well. So, you probably have already predicted what's going to happen, so I'm inside the tutorial world, and if you invite a bunch of your friends and do something similar to this, then it's totally possible. So you can use the Minecraft tutorial world as a Fortnite map. So I'm gonna jump out right here. This is a good idea. Let's go do this. So we're gonna jump out. We're gonna try to land somewhere, try and get some stuff. So you can use the tutorial world. It's full of loot. There's tons of things you can find and do, like this crops that you can get. You can destroy buildings, and I think this actually would work really well. So I don't know where's a good place to land. I'm gonna go ahead and try. Where do I want to go? Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll go to the village. Okay, I'm gonna go to the village. I'm gonna land right here, and we're gonna try this out. But I need food, so this is not a bad start. But yeah, so it's kind of like Fortnite. In Minecraft, where you can kind of play it like this. You jump out of your blue bus, you just make it, takes a couple minutes. I don't know where the blue bus is, I'm pretty far away from it now. But you can invite, 7 other friends in, you can try and play this, and it's full of just random loot. Like, look at all this stuff I just got. So I mean, obviously it's kind of, weird, but you can do it. If this is something you wanted to try, then it's totally possible. So let's actually try and make some bread somewhere if we can. But you can use this as kind of like a way to play Fortnite in Minecraft. You can see all your friends on the map. You just put it on your left, thing like that, and you're all set. Probably have it all fully discovered is a good idea, of course. But let's go ahead and try to find something else as well. Like if we go over this way, there's tons of loot over here in the center of the world as well. I mean, you can make rules as well with your friends and say like, okay, so we have to start enclosing into each other in a couple minutes or something, and so you can just kind of use this world or even make your own worlds. Put a bunch of your own structures around and do whatever you need to do in order to survive and do that. So I don't know. I think it's a silly concept for a game to play, but I still think it's kind of fun at least. Like, hey, you can try it, see if you like it. I don't know, I'm kind of just pretending. Obviously nobody else is in here right now. I could try a round of this and see how well it turns out. At least I think this would be really cool. Tutorial world is full of so many cool secrets and things, so I guess the more time you've spent in the tutorial world, then the more stuff you'll know. But I think this is a really cool way to repurpose something. So let's see, there's nothing really useful there. But yeah, you can repurpose things and try and find loot, just random loot that was used for tutorial stuff. Like, look, that I got a sword, got a lava bucket, experience, fire aspect. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. Just repurpose stuff as a PvP thing. I think that's really neat. So let's see if we can get anything from you. Not really. Not really. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna do this for a couple more minutes just to kind of show off what you could do in just a tutorial world alone. Just set up a school bus in just a couple minutes and you're all set. So yeah, I can get a cow for food. I don't even think mob drops are on. So obviously you can change the Minecraft settings as well. So let's see, we can, or even change the spawn location so that people don't spawn back into the map. And you can teleport players. As you can see, there's the bus we jumped out of from before. But it seems like there's not too much good stuff to loot around the tutorial world. Let's see if there's any potion stuff. So you could brew a potion. I mean, obviously you can't do some of the stuff in the game. It's a little different, but if you want the immersive experience of playing Fortnite in Minecraft, this is probably a good step to take. What is this? This is nothing in there. Okay, so nothing here. I think I'm running out of loot to grab, so I think this is bad. I don't even have any good loot. I don't think I would stand a chance trying to win this, but let's see. Ooh, okay, we can grab some redstone stuff and build that. We could build up into the sky or something. Pickaxe. We already start with the diamond pickaxe. I mean, you can obviously start a player with a different kind of pickaxe if you really want to. If you want to have them start with a stone one and they can upgrade their stuff from there. And maybe if you have a no going underground rule, just so that everyone stays on the surface and does all that, then I think that would make a lot of sense. So obviously you don't want people to start mining underground for diamonds and stuff, because that's not what happens in the game. So if you just tell people stay on the surface, then it works. This would actually kind of work like Fortnite, and so we can even use this. And I love that the tutorial world as well is really optimized for elytra movement, so it's like it would be a lot of fun to play around with this within elytra, kind of like how it's designed but also repurposed, so kind of neat. Let's go over to here. So at least, like, I don't think many people explore the tutorial world much, but there's actually so much cool stuff about it, and I think using it as a PvP minigame, then you got something going there. So I'll do a little bit more, but I can't seem to find anything. I think I'm in the middle of nowhere at this point, so you can even add more of your own loot as well. Like if you want to add more stuff to the tutorial world, let's say you want to make a custom map, maybe random like gold chests or something like that, so you could occasionally find maybe like a yellow shulker box that has like a bunch of good loot in it. You could do that as well, and you can also you know, constantly change up the map, and I think that's just kind of cool. And you can even, like, you know, since shulker boxes, you can place as many as you want with the loot. You don't have to like place in the loot individually. You can just run around the world and place them in seconds with all the same loot, or even change it up. I think that's cool. I think it's cool that you could do this. I thought it's a silly concept, but hey, I mean, somebody out there probably appreciates something like this. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Of course, if you did, make sure you do leave a like on it. I mean, obviously I didn't find too much stuff, but if you add your own loot to a world like this, or even if you have any other random worlds, or you load up a random seed and you start just throwing stuff around, you get this really cool thing going on, which I think is really neat. Of course, I don't know, like, this is just kind of a cool idea I came up with. I'm probably not the first, I'm probably not the last, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. I thought this was, you know, pretty ridiculous, but it's totally doable. Let's try to fly somewhere. Let's get on top of this polar bear. There we go. Awesome, we did it. All right, but I'll see you guys in the next video. I can't go in third person. Go in third person. Actually, there we go. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, guys, and peace.